I don't know how. I'm sure there's some staircase somewhere hidden inside.
Yeah. Like I've been inside these, and all I found was that ladder to the roof. I'm assuming it's these little sections right here.
Yeah.
The problem is most of these windows are still working.
Yeah.
I'd want to get to the very, very top is what I'd want to do.
Yeah. I mean, this is my first time here. I really just want to explore.
Yeah, I've never been here before.
He's gonna throw it up.
Alright, you see it? Yeah.
Oh shit!
So I don't see anybody over here.
Oh, dude, I really wish I had my fucking camera.
Hey, look.
Yeah.
That's SD.
How far out are you?
Like on the other, just at the end of the buildings. That's SD. Okay, so here we are right here.
I don't see anybody, yeah.
Yeah, head in that building. Not maybe into it, but just check the ground level.
Yeah, I can check ground level, but I can't go in the building. It'll lose connection. Alright, so there's nobody over there.
What a world we live in, right? This is Hades, send it.
There's a roof access point right there.
The one that's showing, one on the right, we're on the rooftop second level. We're doing recon with,
There's roof access over there,
this
but
is
I don't care about over there.
I'll copy.
It's getting posted. It's getting posted.
Here's roof access. So we do have roof access to at least this one.
Are the hatches open?
First level.
Yeah, this hatch is open.
So once you come in, go
Let's see what we can do.
left.
Let's go down the ladder.
So this one directly over there is off limits. It's shut.
Look. Let us know when you're coming up, and we'll make sure we anything at all?
I didn't see anybody.
Could you get on this side of the building?
Yeah, there was nobody over there.
Let me get third over here.